saves the audience. Dinah is a brave girl from Russia. She has a sister and a brother. She is the eldest among them. She loves to play with her younger siblings. Dinah loves animals. She does not fear dangerous animals. One day, Dinah went to watch the circus along with her family. Everyone was enjoying the circus. The children sat totally mesmerized before the spectacular display in front of their eyes. Suddenly, a tiger came out of the cage. It began roaring. It looked violent. It did not listen to the commands of the ringmaster. Dinah was sitting in the front row, very close to the ring. Suddenly, she saw a circus net lying nearby. She asked her father to help her with the net. In a quick move, she and her father threw the net over the tiger. The tiger was under control now. Everyone praised her bravery, and her photo was published in the newspaper the next day. Ayu finds his lost sister. Ayu lives in a village in Kenya. Ayu is the elder of the two siblings. Her younger sister is Imara. He loves to play with his younger sister. He cares for her. Ayu's mother and father go to work in a farm. The children do not go to school. One day, Ayu and Imara were alone in their hut while their parents had gone to work in the farm. Imara was playing outside her home while Ayu was looking at his picture book. Ayu did not realize where Imara went outside. He called her name loudly, but there was no response. Ayu was shocked to find his sister missing. He didn't know what to do. He quickly informed the village chief about his missing sister. The village chief sent his men across to search for her. Finally, Imara was found in an animal farm. Everyone was happy that Imara was found. Alexander saves a small boy. Alexander lives in Warsaw with his family. He likes listening to stories on bravery. His grandfather, Jacob Matthews, tells him a story every day. One day, his grandfather told him a story about World War II. He told him that the World War II was fought between good nations and bad nations. He also said that in the end, the good nations won the war. Alexander decided that he would be on the side of good. In the school, he noticed a small boy surrounded by some big boys. The big boys were troubling the small boy, and the small boy was crying. Alexander rushed to help the small boy. Then, turning towards the big boys, Alexander told them not to trouble the small boy. The big boys laughed and made fun of him. Alexander was fearless. He said that he would call the police if they misbehaved again. The big boys ran away. Ananyas forms a peace mission. Ananyas is a brave boy who lives in Tel Aviv, the capital of Israel. He has seen war right since he can remember. He now goes to school, but his school remains closed several times in a year because of the war. He wants everyone to live in peace. A few weeks back, Ananyas had to live without electricity because of a war that was going on. Several missiles, bombs, and rockets were flying from the two nations that were fighting. Ananyas thinks war is too bad. It causes loss of life and properties. He wants to do something so that war may not take place again. Ananyas asked his class teacher about war. He asked her how one could have peace. His teacher suggested him to form a peace mission beginning from his school. Ananyas has formed a peace mission. His peace mission includes children from all over the world who dislikes war.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.